Okay, this is 125th Street. Just like I said, they were working their way uptown. I knew that right after they finished 116th Street, they should be up here soon. And today is Monday, the 28th, and 125th Street is on. And it's unbelievable that they did it so fast. So far, we have jumped from 44 stations to about 45, 46.
V train service is replaced by M train service running from Middle Village, Metropolitan Avenue to Forest Hill, 71st Avenue. W train service is replaced by Q train service running to Astoria and Mars Boulevard. For more information, pick up a brochure at stations now or visit www.mta.info.
I don't think I think that because of the announcement, it didn't get to tell you that the train was entering the station. I'm not sure yet, so I'm going to wait a little while. And wow, it works pretty good. The rest of the Jerome Avenue lines are on their way to be on as well. They are working on 183rd. They're working on 176. They're also working on Yankee Stadium and Burnside Avenue. So they're running these things just like I told everybody on a quick schedule. Right now we're running on about 50 stations. There's going to be soon to be 50 stations on within the next 2 weeks that I've heard. So I want to do another video in a few seconds.